Hi everyone, John Stone from Stone Tyres with some fantastic news. As you can see, the shutters are open on the garage. I've been making some changes to the garage to make sure that we are safe and ready to open, which I'm pleased to announce we are now doing on Monday. We have made some changes to the garage and I'm going to show you what we now expect from you. When you turn up with your vehicle, we'll ask you to pull up into bay number 1, assuming it's free, then exit your vehicle, walk over to the newly installed key safe. Your vehicle key and no other key, please deposit into the key safe. This then goes into a locked safe behind reception where only our staff have access to. One of our staff members will then come out, fit your car with all the relevant PPE. They will also be wearing PPE, and then we'll move your car into the workshop to perform whatever duties are. I'm going to show you now the expense that we've gone to make sure that you know we're taking this serious when we're working on your vehicle. So every single car we work on will be fitted with a seat cover, a floor mat cover, a steering wheel cover, a gear stick cover, a handbrake cover. Basically every single piece of the vehicle that we will come into contact with will be protected. One other thing we ask, as this customer has kindly done, could you just leave your lock and wheel key on the passenger seat to enable us to take off your wheels. Now, you may want to wait while we carry out the work, that's fine, but the reception room is closed. You will see we've installed a barrier. Should you try and breach that barrier and be naughty, if you look here, he is angry and he does bite, so I wouldn't entertain it. What we will do for you is place a chair in one of the allocated bays where you can wait while the vehicle is being worked on, or you can go for a walk and come back in half an hour, an hour's time. Should you still not wish to come out to the garage, that's completely understandable. I also own Gorilla Tyres, the mobile tyre fitting business. You can see the vans there. We basically bring the garage to you. However, if you're in the St Helens area, we will come out and fit tyres at your home at exactly the same price. Also, to make things even easier for you, if you're a bit worried about funds at the moment, as you can see, we offer a no credit check, pay monthly scheme. If you buy 2 tyres, you can split the bill over 4 payments. If you buy 4 tyres, you can split the bill over 6 payments. What this does is it shows that as a business we really appreciate your custom and we want to go the extra mile, so you know we're taking this serious. I refuse to put my staff at risk or you at risk. I appreciate everybody being with us during this pandemic. It's really appreciated. I really appreciate your custom and your patience, and we look forward to seeing you from Monday. Thank you.